from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Let's try it backwards. Now count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Now you know how to count to 10.